How to fix Duolingo mic not working. Basically a step-by-step guide to doing so. So one of the first things you can do is to test your microphone. So try recording a voice memo on your phone or computer. So if it doesn't work, the issue is with your device's mic and not Duolingo itself. But if it is, you can go ahead to settings, and then inside settings you can just directly go into the apps where you can find Duolingo. So again, just go ahead to your apps like so, and then once you're in the apps, search for Duolingo. You can search it or just scroll down until you find Duolingo. On iPhone, it's almost similar where you find Duolingo by going to the settings. But anyways, in Duolingo, make sure you have permissions for the microphone on. So app permissions, just go ahead and allow the microphone. But anyways, other than that, you can adjust the Duolingo speaking exercises. So you can go there in the settings if you have your profile over here in settings, and then look for speaking exercise and make sure they are on. So over here, it should be over in the lesson experiences. So if you want that on, just go ahead and do so. So if you still have issues, you can toggle speaking exercises off and on, pretty much to reset. If not, you can make sure you're updated with the app, or you can try reinstalling and logging back to your account. So if the problem is none of those, it's either your environment is a difficult place for your mic to pick up, so make sure you're in a place where it's quiet and only your voice can be heard to prevent more issues. Anyways, that's how you can potentially fix this issue. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.